So now we should be able to run our import and have the blog entries created by the users that are assigned to have created them. Let's go back to Structure and Feeds Importers and give this import another try. We'll click Import in the paragraph. We'll click Import Blog Entries. We'll scroll down, and again, like before, I'm going to choose to upload our file one more time just to make sure that we're working with the right file. So I'm going to select Blog Stubs to import, and I'll click Import. Hey, it says created 8 nodes. That's good news. Let's take a look at our content listing and see if we can see the blog entries. Okay, so we have how macaroni is made. Are you a geek? No, you're not. You can see that the author is associated with the content that they created. That looks good. Now let's check to see if our images and tags imported correctly as well. I'm going to click how macaroni is made, and you see our giant macaroni image. Okay, so that looks good. And our tags, uncovering and backstory. So those look right as well. Let's take a look at another piece of content. I'm going to click Content and click Are you a geek? No, you're not. We have our giant image here. We have our tag, Geek Abuse, and all of this looks great. Also notice that our image here, which was associated with our image field for the user, is being used in a context here where normally the default user avatar would be used. So this is also a good sign that our user picture field module is working properly.